In this video, we will talk about string literals in Python. There are two types of strings in Python. One is single line strings and another is multi-line strings. Single line strings are surrounded by either single quotation marks or double quotation marks. It means that the hello in single quotation marks is exactly same as double quotation marks. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name, let's say my str, followed by an equal sign and then string. We can also assign a multi-line string using 3 quotation marks. This is a multi-line string. Okay, as you can see, it is a multi-line string. We can also display string literals with the help of print function. Print my str. Strings are very similar to tuple data type, so we can also access a single character using indexes like 4, or I say 5 because 4 is a space, and we can also use negative indexing We can also apply slicing on a string. Initial index, let's say 0, and the end index, let's say 10. Let's take another example. We can also get a length of a string using the length function, like this my str 29. We already know that every variable in Python programming language is actually an object, and if it is in an object, it means that it comes with the built-in functions. So the first function is strip function, which removes any white space from a string. So let's create another string. And let's use the strip function. Strip function can only remove white spaces from the beginning or the end. It means any extra white space between the end and the beginning will remain as it is. As you can see, the white space between these two words is still there. There is one more function, lower, which converts the string to lowercase, and there is one more function to convert the string to title case. It means that only first character of each word will be in the capital letter and all other characters will be in the lower case. And there is also one upper function which will convert the whole string into capital letters. There is one more function replace, which replaces a substring within a string with another string. Replace, then say ABC, and I will convert this to DE. ABC has been replaced by DE. Another function is split. Split function divides the string according to the separator input and then create a list of all the substrings. Let's say split using the space. Space is the default input of this function, so if I do not provide anything, then it will trim all the white spaces at first, and then it will divide the string according to the spaces. All these functions that we have used above are object returning and does not make any changes to the object itself. It means if we want to store the changes, then we need to assign these to either same variable or another variable. Like if I want to strip the white spaces, then I will use my str is equal to my str strip, or we can create a new list as my str split. The list has been created. Strings are also iterable. It means we can apply a for loop and iterate each value. Let's see, for I in my str print I. We can also concatenate two strings using addition symbol. The new string has been created. Python strings also supports the escape character. So if I want to provide a double quote, and a new line, or just slash, a single slash, then we can use escape characters like this. Python has a very good set of built-in functions that you can use on strings. You can find them on the official website of Python. Most of them returns a new object and do not change the original object. So this is all for this video. Thank you.